If you're a marketer who wants to make smarter decisions, you need to watch this. Hi, I am Pankaj Sharma, your narrator and marketing expert, here to help you master data-driven decisions. Hey, are you looking for a simple way to boost your marketing results without guessing what works? Let me introduce you to one of my favorite tools, A/B testing. Think of it like a taste test for your marketing campaigns. You create two versions of a web page, email, or ad. Let's call them A and B. Then you split your audience, showing half version A and the other half version B. The data tells you which one performs better. No more relying on hunches, just real results. But here's the magic. A/B testing isn't just for big companies with huge budgets. Anyone can do it. Start simple. Maybe you test 2 subject lines for your next email blast or 2 headlines on your landing page. Every small tweak you test gets you closer to what your audience actually wants. Remember, the secret is to change just one thing at a time. That way, you know exactly what made the difference. Track your results, learn from them, and keep optimizing. So, if you want to make smarter, data-driven decisions that actually move the needle, start A/B testing today. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more marketing insights. Let's unlock your success together.